All Kia vehicles utilize the same sensors and cameras to bring you an unparalleled safe driving experience with driver assistance technologies that are helpful rather than intrusive. Today, I'm going to be showing you these technologies on the new EV6, but understand all of these are available on pretty much every 2022 and newer Kia models. On the front, you'll find one primary camera used to map lane lines and other objects on the road. Lower down, you'll find the radar sensor used to detect the distance of objects in front of you. And even lower, there are numerous ultrasonic proximity sensors that pick up objects close to the vehicle. Moving to the back of the vehicle, you'll find the standard backup camera, more ultrasonic proximity sensors, and dual radar sensors, except these are used to pick up vehicles on the side and are hidden underneath the body panels. Finally, if equipped, the 360-degree camera makes parking an ease and also lane changes. When performing a lane change, you'll be presented with a live view of your blind spot in your digital instrument cluster. This is called Kia's Blind Spot View Monitor and is available on every Kia that has a 360-degree camera system and an instrument cluster screen size of over 7 inches. Combined, these cameras and sensors allow your Kia to perform evasive actions in possible accidents involving pedestrians, bikes, or other automobiles with the following assist systems. Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist detects vehicles in your blind spot when attempting to make a lane change. If a vehicle is seen, your Kia will give you an alert or steer you back into your original lane if necessary. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist responds to potential front-end collisions with the driver alert and will either apply the brakes or assist the driver by turning the wheel away from the object. This will only happen if the rear radar sensors don't detect a vehicle in the lane of which your Kia is trying to enter. Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist detects traffic approaching from the back of the vehicle when reversing, giving audio and visual alerts and application of the brakes if appropriate. Safe Exit Assist automatically locks the door when trying to exit while a vehicle is approaching, and unlocks when the hazard is clear. More recent Kias also have Junction-Turning Collision Avoidance Assist, which detects unexpected oncoming vehicles when attempting to turn at an intersection and responds with a driver alert and application of the brakes if necessary. Now, these cameras and sensors do a lot more than stop you from hitting stuff. In fact, they are paramount to the latest driver assistance technology. To learn more, watch our lane assistance video, and as always, thanks for watching.